All right, guys, we are on lock number 12 of Lock Picking Lebowski's treasure chest, and I think we finally come up against some true alien technology here. This appears to be a Russian padlock. I have not been looking forward to this because I'm not a combination lock guy, I'm more of a mechanical lock guy, but I'll give it a try. Let's see if we can exploit this the way we do some other combination locks. It appears that, again, this is pure speculation, the shackle looks like it probably comes completely out. I have never seen one of these, but the way that it's constructed, you can see the shackle cut out on both sides, and they both jiggle. So I think the whole hasp pops out of the top of the body of the lock. Not the greatest thing from a design perspective, because they could get separated, get lost, but just knowing that doesn't help me get into this darn lock. I'm looking on here for some engraving like I saw in the previous lock, combination lock. You guys were kind enough to point out that was the letter code for the combination, but nothing like that. I didn't see it, but you guys pointed out after the fact. Didn't do me a lot of good, but all right, there is something on here like a RB, and it looks like a J10, and then there's something right in there. I can't quite make it out, stamped into the body. This thing appears to be quite old and quite worn. All right, let's just try putting downward pressure on the body of the lock. I'll use my two fingers to pull away. And what I'm going to do is just feel that's pretty free. It gets stuck there on that backwards end and on that 3. So somewhere in between the backwards end and the 3 is probably, let's put it right there, put it in the middle somewhere. This one is rotating freely, no binding. This one is totally bound. Let's just turn him a little. Okay, so he's free. He's free from the X to the little B looking, the lowercase b. X to B. I don't know, let's put him in the middle somewhere, like right there, I guess. It's pretty free. This guy's totally free. All right, let's go back to him, see if he's binding. He is not. Okay, totally free. So what do we got here? Let's do some jiggling action. No? All right, let's pull down with some stronger tension this time and force something to bind. Okay, he's binding from upside down L to A. L to A. So we got 2. It could be either of those 2, I'm thinking. Try that one. He didn't change. Let's put him, what I have him on the Y? Can't remember. Let's put him back on the Y. Still binding. There's a lot of flop. There's a lot of flop right there. Is that right in the middle from the X? No, it's not even in the middle. There's definitely a lot of flop on that, going back and forth. Let's just call that good. He's binding now from the T. Oh, now you're not. Let me pull down a little more direct above that piece of shackle. Nothing. Let's leave him alone. Where are you? Are you got any jiggling for me? Man, there's a lot of jiggle right there. A lot of jiggle. Let's leave him. Let's try that jiggling. There's a lot of jiggle there. There's no jiggle there. There's a whole lot of jiggle right there. There we go. There we go. All right, opened by jiggle. It's a new jiggle method on Russian locks. I don't know, guys. Anyway, there you go. The number 12 Russian 4 character combination lock. Appreciate your time. Stay safe. Stay legal. It was a little easier than what I thought it was going to be. But at least now, in the next lock, we're back on some familiar ground. Something I know how to attack. The American Lock Series 1100. So, you know there's got to be some evil stuff in there because it's number 13. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal.